DTST stock analysis and price predictions for Thursday. Is data storage stock a buy? I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief and short 1-minute video. I'm the only guy in this space that has actually done 43,000 videos and actually done them, because it's all on my YouTube channel. You can watch every single one of those videos. It's taken me 5 years, but at least I've seen what's printing and what is not. The DTST in particular, 56% up. It's not small. So how I'm looking at this is I'm very open-minded for longs now. You know, it kind of broke my belief about this long side. Just gonna mark up the top, and I'm just hoping I see some corrections down, because it's only then where I really kind of shine. And how would I shine? Well, if the price corrects down and gives me rules, guess who's gonna be here to buy? Me. Yeah, blah blah blah. If you want to get my money making emails and insights for free and stay tuned with DTST, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy. It's free.